Hi, today's video is a what's in my bag and a quintuple unboxing, so stick around and see what I got. I want to start with the what's in my bag, but before we get to that, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and if you hit the dislike button, tell me why. So I want to start with my what's in my bag. This is my bag of the day, the Louis Vuitton Capucines, and to be honest, I very seldom use the strap on her, but I knew I'd be shopping all day, and I knew I wasn't going to want it hand hold it all day, so I just put the strap on her just for today. So she is definitely going back on the hook behind the door. And what I have inside is my mini pochette, my, oh, let me cover that, my Chi Chi Luxe Made Me Do It, a reusable bag because you have to pay 15 cents for a bag in Hawaii, a very cute purse holder, and this was gifted to me by a friend quite a while ago, and if you go to dinner or lunch or something like that, it basically unscrolls. Most of you guys have seen these, but mine was a gift, and it was super thoughtful, and the person got it because she knows I love bags. Very cute. My Quay Australia Sunnies. They're a little dirty because they've been in my bag, but they are very cute. My lip gloss, which is a Fenty Beauty lip gloss. You know, I may not be a makeup girl, but I probably have enough lip gloss to last me a lifetime. My Louis Vuitton 6-ring key holder. And my charger. I carry this around with me because I dropped my phone pretty recently and it doesn't hold a charge as long as it used to. So that's a thing. And my little Nani pouch with hand sanitizer inside. And there she is, beautiful and empty. And going back to these pouches, I love the individual hand sanitizers. If you can find these, you should pick them up, because not all the time, you know, if you want to give somebody something, you don't want them to actually touch your sanitizer, you can just be like, here, use that. Or if you're somewhere else and you don't want to use theirs, you can have your own little individual one-time use, squirt it and go packet. So these are awesome. So now to the good stuff. I'm gonna start with Gucci. You know, if you know me, you know I wasn't on Team Gucci for a very long time, and I'm finally back on board. And I would say Gucci's customer service, I would say easily up there with Dior, Louis Vuitton, and Chanel. Easily. The girl I use now, her name is Lee. She is amazing. You know, if you're at Ala Moana, I highly recommend you ask for her. She's really sweet. She makes sure you know what you're getting. She makes sure you understand that, you know, this is this season or this is that season. She tells you a little bit about the bag. She knows a lot. She's just awesome. So my first cutie, well, actually, I'm going to open the bag first. There we go. Isn't she cute? I love this pink wrap too. And I actually went in to look at another bag. If I find a picture, I'll stick it in somewhere up there. But I went in looking at a tote bag, which is a nylon tote bag. And, you know, when I saw it in person, my heart didn't love it, so I just passed on it. And this wasn't my second place, but I knew I liked this too. And I had tried it on several times before, and I liked it so much because the strap is so long that I can do a crossbody on it. And this is my new girl. Isn't she cute? I'm sure you guys have all seen her before, but just beautiful. The zippers are perfect. I played with her in the store, so I know the zippers are already perfect. Nice and stuffed. Oh, I forgot she comes with a little key holder D-ring thing on the inside. Take that tissue out. And the inside is like a microfiber. Super cute. Comes with like a little care booklet. Very nice inside and out. And I love this because when I first tried it on as a crossbody, I was like, sold. And I ended up looking at something else or waiting for something else. And then my mind kept going back to this. Even when I got the blue mini, wait a minute, where is it? That blue mini, I still had my eye on this one, but I was like, no, let me get the blue one first and see how I like it. And I loved it, so I went for this one finally. Yeah, super cute. And if you know me, and if you've watched me more than 3 times, you would know that I would be the queen of matchy matchy. So to go with, I got the card holder. There we go. She holds, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 on each side, and then a big gap in the middle. You could probably put bills in there, but I probably won't. Just cards. Isn't she pretty? And how could I not be the queen? Come on. Come on. That's cute, and you know it. Yeah. Super happy. Very happy. And I can imagine myself shopping with that bag, so I can just take my card, my credit cards, my ID, my phone, and, you know, maybe 1 or 2 little small things that I might need throughout the day. But that's definitely, that's going to be an awesome Costco bag, I can tell. Or someplace where I don't want to take a lot. I would say the movies, but we'll see when that comes back. We'll see. Now, my next unboxing is Chanel. And my essay for Chanel is Jeff. And you ever go somewhere and you see somebody walk in and they hug their essay and you're like, oh, that's unusual. That's Jeff. I feel like every time I see him, I feel like I missed my old friend who I haven't seen in a very long time. You know what I mean? He's just such an awesome guy. He really is. So if you're at Ala Moana, go see Jeff at Chanel. He's amazing. He's thorough. He makes sure that he'll tell you the history of anything in that store. I mean, like, if he doesn't know it, he'll go find the history of it before he tells you anything. He is just awesome. And he sent me a picture a while back of this, and I was a little bit hesitant because I wanted it, as usual, for a matchy-matchy deal. And I couldn't tell with the lighting, because you know when you take a picture, if your camera, the shade is off or whatever. So I finally took my purse in to make sure it matched. And I bought this twilly bandeau. Isn't it cute? And I bought it to go on, I'm sure you already guessed it, onto this. I think that's going to be amazing. Once I put it together, I'll stick a picture in here somewhere, or I'll try to. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Just beautiful. Oh, I forgot to ask him to take this off for me. You know, I've learned my lesson that I should never be trusted to take those little things off myself. From now on, I'm gonna either leave it on or ask an SA to take it off for me, because the last 2, I just ripped it and it left like such an ugly rip in it, and yeah. So I should never take those off again. But that was one. Well, actually, that was number 3. My next Chanel, you probably already guessed it because it has a white wrap. the last card he sent me, oh my God, that smell made me come back for the bottle. He sprayed the card with this perfume and I had to have it. It is Chanel Gabrielle. Oh my God, it smells like heaven. I mean, I literally just smelled that card again right before I turned my camera on, and it still smells just like, it smells like heaven. I love it. I love this. And I haven't tried the sample, but I'm going to try the sample for a few days to make sure it doesn't irritate my skin, because I'm real funny with perfume. And what I normally do is spray my clothes and not my body. So I'm going to, you know, test a small spot and see how it goes. But I'm hopeful that this is another winner. And my final one. My final one. It's so funny. He showed me these and he said, oh yeah, I really like these. And I was like, I have to have them. No matter what, I have to have these. And these are the same ones that, oh, comes with a cleaning cloth, so I'm sure you guessed sunglasses already. And the cute Chanel case. These are the ones that Pharrell had on. I forgot what day and what time, but yeah. Bam! Are we loving these? I love them. If you don't like them, too bad. I love them. This is it. I love them. I think they are chic, and I can't wait to have a pair of hoop earrings with them. Love them. Love them. This is it for me. I'm in love. This is it. I don't need anything else. These are it. So, aren't they cute? Oh my gosh. And on the inside, they say made in Italy. The other side just says Chanel and some numbers. I'm sure that's just like the UV rating or something like that. But yeah, these are it. I'm in love. Definitely. Definitely my speed, my style, my everything. I love them. So, yeah. Super happy with these. Super happy. Speechless happy. So, I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. Thank you for your time. Please like and subscribe. Hit the bell notification. Whatever else it was I was supposed to say. And I hope you have an amazing weekend. Aloha. Oh, one more thing. I'm going to leave it on this for a while. Be kind.